Hi, my name is Fernando. Today I'm going to present my project made for Harvard CS50 course, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. First of all, let me just run this code because it takes some time to run. The project consists of making a convolutional neural network to recognize different traffic signs. This is our model structure. First of all, we have two sequential layers with a convolutional layer and a max pooling layer. The first convolutional layer has 16 different filters and the second one 32. Following, we have a flattened layer in order to make our three-dimensional tensor a one-dimensional one. Next, we have a dropout layer with a 30% of dropout rate in order to try to avoid overfitting the data and generalize well the model. Next, we have a hidden layer with 128 different nodes. And finally, we have our output with a node for each different category, in this case 43. So here are the results. We have a really low value, and also we have an accuracy that is very similar and it's really high. It's around 95%. So we can see that our convolutional neural network models really well the problem. So that's all. Thank you for watching.